These badges were made for a light festival, and they work together to create a synchronised display. But they don't pair, there's no configuration, they just sync. When badges come together, they automatically align their lighting effects. No central controller, no network setup, they just work. I volunteer at Inclusive Bytes in Oldham, a non-profit tech hub where we help the community get hands-on with technology and mentor students from local colleges. Every year the town hosts a festival of light called Illuminate, and this year we decided to make something for it. The design is simple, an ESP32C3 Mini, a small battery management unit and a ring of WS2812 LEDs. I created the schematic and a PCB design in Design Spark, and then I CNC routed a couple of PCBs. To make sure the design was okay before we made any more, I assembled the first two boards by hand. To scale things up, we turned it into a workshop. Some of the volunteers and younger participants got their first soldering practice in, while others helped to assemble the badges. Then it was time to write the lighting effects. Some of the more advanced students even created their own. And this is where things get interesting. What's actually going on here? Well, the trick is, they're not syncing animations, they're syncing time. Each badge is constantly broadcasting a simple value, its current time. If a badge receives a time higher than its own, it docks it. Also, the time is rounded into 10 millisecond steps, and that removes small differences and keeps everything stable. Once the time matches, everything else is calculated locally. Time selects the current effect and also controls its state. And because every badge runs the same code, they all produce the same pattern at the same moment. And that's why this works. As badges come together, the highest time propagates through the mesh, and they all end up showing the same effect. Now Oldham is a town in the north of England, and it's on a hill, and it's in the foothills of the Pennines, and this event was in February, so inevitably it rained and we had lower turnout than we would have liked, but we had a great time. At the festival, small groups would synchronise, then merge with others, creating constantly shifting patterns of light. No setup, no coordination, just people and a shared sense of time.